With warmer weather, that means your plants are bursting away with new growth, so it means that you can get your hedge clippers out and start pruning. Now, I know that can be a little bit intimidating, but it is one of the most satisfying jobs when you get to see the before and after. There are many tools that you can choose from for this sort of work. Your main choices are going to be between an electric hedge trimmer and shears. When you're doing detailing with larger lengths of hedge, I recommend opting for shears like the pros. Shaping shrubs is like art. You need to take your time with them. So you can always take a lot off, but you can never put it back on. So it's always a good idea to step back and take a look at what you've been doing and look for any pockets where you could take a little bit more off. Shears like the Darlac Tri-blade are your best option for shaping shrubs, small hedges and topiary. Master gardeners use shears for jobs like this as the end result looks more natural, and sharp shears don't leave the leaves looking shredded like a hedge trimmer can do. Keeping these blades sharp is easy, unlike a hedge trimmer. Shears like this tri-blade make faster work, as the 3 cutting blades allow you to cut twice the amount with just one cut. The central blade is chrome armoured and heat treated. This acts as a central point of focus. There is improved accuracy of cut as the central blade remains static, whilst the other blades cut around it. If you're needing a shear that can handle a shrub with a little bit more height, this telescopic shear is a lifesaver, especially if you're short like me. The handles adjust from 670mm to 880mm to achieve the perfect user height and avoid any back pain. Shock-absorbing buffers reduce jarring, wavy blades to help growth, while the Teflon coating reduces friction, ideal for all green growth and light woody growth. Once you're happy with the overall shape, you want to give your plant a little bit of a shake to get rid of all these loose bits. That way you won't have any brown bits of wood in your plant. And then you can give it another look over, and if there's a few more bits, just give them a trim. But for the most part, I think that's looking pretty good. A great habit to get into is cleaning off your blades after each use. The 2 outer blades of these high-spec shears are PTFE non-stick coated to reduce friction and to alleviate the likelihood of any rust forming. With the right set of tools, this can make easy work in the garden, and the hedge looks beautiful after it, and it's always such a satisfying job to do.